Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. I have got another scrap room kit layout for you today. We are playing with the double shot kit, the other half of the double shot kit today, and this is Echo Park My Favorite Summer. Now if you don't know what the double shot kit is, it is two collections, basically condensed down. You get two little kits of them. Gives you a nice sampling of some of all the new stuff that is out and about in the world. Rochelle Spears from the Scrap Room does an amazing job of making kits. There's the Flavors of the Month kit, which is 4 different collections, and the double shot kit is just a smaller one. It's 2 different collections, so you can always add this on to the Flavors of the Month kit as well. There's so many different options, and there's other add-ons as well that you can add to this. So it's super fun. I love it. It's a great way to get a good sampling of a bunch of the new stuff that's out there if you don't want to go and purchase the entire thing. So in the double shot kit, you always get 3 pieces of cardstock, 3 pattern papers, and some embellishments. So what we've got here is we've got 1 sheet, 2 sheets of Storm cardstock and 1 sheet of Lava from Basil. And for pattern papers, like I said, this is Echo Park's My Favorite Summer. For the embellishments, you get a whole sticker sheet. So you get the whole 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which is super fun. That's a lot of goodies there. And then you get some pattern paper. So we get, in this one, pretty pinwheels for My Favorite Summer. I love me a plaid, and pinwheels are so fun. We've got this rainbow paper with a beautiful grid on the back called Summer Rainbows, and this last one with a beautiful small print floral, and the back is a blue tone on tone, just little crisscross hatches, and it's bright bunches. So those are really fun. And I am gonna play with the Freaky Fast formula today because it's like one of my favorite things. I love the Freaky Fast formula, and I have 3 photos of my son swinging with his dad in the summertime. It's May. Close enough. Springtime, summertime, you know. But I thought the colors would go really, really well with my photos. So we're going to play with that, and we're going to get cutting. I personally like to just cut randomly and then figure it out. Some people like to plan it out, what they're going to do, what papers they're going to cut. I kind of just like to cut randomly. So wish me luck. I'm going to cut, and we're going to hope it works out. All right, I'll be back. All right, you guys, I have cut my papers. So I went ahead and trimmed down my photos. This one's like 4 by, I don't know, I just kind of, like 4 by 5. Matted them on white cardstock, and these are 3 by 4s. And then, so I cut, for the Freaky Fast formula, you need let me run through them with you. 11 by 8, so this is the rainbow paper. You need 11 by 8 and 11 by 1. So I did that in the same paper, and I was thinking about doing something like this, but I'm not sure. And then a 10 by 5, and this is the pinwheel paper. And then a 1 by 2, a 1 by 1.5, and a 9 by 1. So those are what I cut. I was thinking about doing something like so, but I'm also thinking because that's blue. I'm also thinking about other things. I'm thinking about trimming the red cardstock down, and then this will be all solids, but I don't know if I want that. So let's figure out where our photos can go. If I do an arrangement like this, and then I do have these in floral as well, so I could flip them over. We could do something like that. I kind of want to squish them down just a little bit more so they all kind of fit in this red area. And I'm kind of liking that. Then we have this sticker sheet. I could add a border to that. That would be kind of cute. Bring some red over here. I kind of like this. I don't know about this though. I feel like we need to cut a few more pieces like that. So let me grab. And nothing about the Freaky Fast formula says you can't cut more. So that is the fun thing about that. So I think I might cut another 1.5 by, or 1 by 2. Actually, do I already have, from trimming, I probably already have almost a 1 by 2. Yes. And then I'll get, oh geez, a smaller piece. So that if I wanted to make this a thing, kind of scatter the floral in 3 areas and have the blue kind of separated. Kind of like that. I'll bring some red over here. So I was thinking about adding the scalloped edge on the floral paper. Or do I want to add it this way? Or do I want to add it the whole length of the blue? That actually might be better. I really liked that rainbow paper, but the solids or the B-sides were just kind of calling to me. So we're gonna get this down. To bring some of that red over here. Of course, I didn't put it on straight, but okay, so I enjoy that, and I enjoy the blue, so we're going to get that done too. And then what's fun, if you take your full 12 by 12s and do a Freaky Fest formula, then it's almost like you created another Freaky Fest formula with what you have left over. You just don't really, it's just not set measurements that you probably planned on. But it's fun because then it's like, it challenges yourself to use those ones too. Okay, so it's almost like we've got a grid started and we're breaking out of it. So I do enjoy this over here. Kind of at an angle, or skewed, I should say. And I like that, but we'll wait on that. Right. And then let's get this done. Oh, I'm gonna run out. Just did. So while I was changing my ATG, I took advantage and glued everything down. And then I trimmed this longer 1.5 down just to kind of spread out the blue a little bit. And I kind of changed them around. So I'm going to do something like that to kind of repeat the idea of the floral with the blue a few different places. So we've got that. And I'm trying to figure out how I want, it depends on if I layer this with something, it'll look different. To keep that out of the glare. So I grabbed this sticker off the sticker sheet. I thought that was perfect to fit right there as my title. And now I'm trying to figure out what else I want to use. There's so many good things. We're swinging, so I kind of want the sun and a tree. I don't know where the tree would fit though. Maybe right here. Oop. Nope. Got things flying everywhere. And I'm going to tuck the sun in right there. Make sure you guys can see this. I want these sunglasses on there. Maybe I don't want the tree. Maybe I'll put the sunglasses down there. I don't know. Still trying to figure that out. Or maybe I just want a big rainbow down there. A rainbow would be cute. There we go. That's cute. I think this, I really want to use this little tree. It's a happy little tree. I could tuck him right here. Yeah, we can tuck him right there. Since I've got this floral, we could do feel like I need another word here. It doesn't have to be huge. What if I just did like this blue? Let's have some fun in the sun and put that kind of like over top of the rainbow. And then let's get rid of this. Put that back. We'll sprinkle some of these little circly bits with the stars in them. Yeah. And then I feel like we need to brighten it up a little bit. So let's grab white gel pen. Do a little outlining just to pop the layers. There we go. So then I am just going to, I just want to make sure that gets filled in correctly. Journal our date. just going to do it below this photo. And actually, I'm going to stamp it. I like to stamp. I like weight stamps a lot. Let's see. And I have, this is it's from Smashbooks, if you guys remember those. A long time ago. And this is May. Yep. 2014. What I love about this is it goes all the way back to 2011. So when I have older photos that I need to scrapbook, this, yeah. It's just May 5th. And then it says love this. So I'm just going to stamp that right here. And I always do a test stamp on something. There we go. Love this. May 5th, 2014. There we go. So there is my take on the Freaky Fest formula for you guys today, and a nice glimpse at the shots, or not shots of life, double shot kit. Echo Park, my favorite summer. Really fun kit. Really easy way to do B-sides, and I'm excited to use the A-sides of the pattern papers as well, to now that I have pieces cut up, make another layout. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out the ScrapRoom fans and subscribers page on Facebook, and go check out the store. We'll see you next time. Bye.